This is the coconut pound cake, the final product. I'm going to walk you through the recipe. It's a French style cake where you're going to save the egg whites at the end, whip them up to a medium peak, and fold them into the batter. And the recipe is very easy. You cream the sugar, the CRISCO, the egg yolks, and the margarine or the butter, and then cream that very good. Then add your flour, which has a baking soda in it, and buttermilk. And you're going to want to interchange it. You're going to want to do little buttermilk, little flour, little buttermilk, little flour until it's all incorporated. And then in the other bowl, you're going to mix your egg whites up to about a medium peak, and you're going to fold those in. It's very important you fold them in and don't whip it in because you'll break the meringue. And then once that's folded in, you pour it into a Bundt pan, and that recipe will exactly make one of these Bundt pans. And then you bake it at 350 for about 45 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. Check it at 40, and you'll have the cake. You can make a powdered sugar or lemon glaze to go on the top, or you can just dust it with powdered sugar and put one on every slice. And here is the final product. And it's very good. This recipe is also my coconut cake if I want to pour the batter into two 10-inch cake pans, or it's my Italian cream if I want to pour that into two 10-inch cake pans also, and then put a cream cheese with pecan icing on the Italian cream, or just regular whipped cream, and decorate it with maraschino cherries on the coconut cake. Very nice cake for Mother's Day coming up.
What do we have here?
Oh, and this is biscotti. And we'll be doing biscotti, and we're going to tie that into the soup class. So that we'll do biscotti, another candy, and then we'll do some soups on our next video.
Awesome. Thank you, Chef.
You bet.